This is your happy journey to a very beautiful and comfortable autumn forest. Let go of everything disturbing in your mind and just enjoy your autumn journey. Try to visualize yourself being present in the beautiful and peaceful autumn forest. While watching the beautiful scenery and sounds of the forest. Now, relax your body and start taking gentle, slow, and deep breaths. Now, close your eyes and continue to breathe slowly. With your eyes closed, imagine yourself strolling in the beautiful and peaceful forest. Visualize a magnificent autumn scenery according to what you hear. This is the place of comfort. This is the place for a healthy body. Now, concentrate on the sound and feel the sound. Now, you are standing on soft soil and feel the wind blowing from tree to tree. You feel the cool wind blow across your face. You are taking deep breaths and feel the cool, fresh air coming into your nose. Now you feel your breath becoming deeper and deeper. As your breath becomes deeper and deeper, you are mentally and physically comforted. Now you are focusing on your breathing. When you slowly breathe in, you feel your body filled with green energy of the forest. When you slowly breathe out, you feel all negative thoughts fading away, but peace flooding into your mind. Now, it's time to return from your journey. Begin to gently bring yourself back. When you open your eyes, you will be positive and succeed in everything you do with a new sense of awareness and confidence. Now, take 3 deep breaths and open your eyes.